a real short, sharp video this week. This week, all I wanted to do was give you guys a bit of a reminder that the standard TBC exemptions, aka traditional building character overlay exemptions, do not always apply when it comes to the Sherwood-Graceville District Neighbourhood Plan area. More specifically, raising to 9.5 and doing carports either at the side of the house or the front of the house are not automatically exempt in that neck of the woods. Now, it's one of those things when it comes to these exemptions, it is so easy to just get on autopilot, and I'm guilty of that all the time. So like I said, I just wanted to use this week's video to give you guys a bit of a prompt, a reminder, use whatever word you want, just to say, yo, don't get on autopilot. Remember, those exemptions don't always apply. Okay, that covers off everything I want to talk about this week. As I always like to say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got three. Number one, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site-specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number two, Brisbane town planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number three, what was my number three? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all.